Believe it or not, this 2008 Saab 97 is in reverse right now, and there are no reverse lights. To complete this job, we're just going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to need some 921s or 912 LED bulbs, or you could use the non-LEDs, but I'm going to go ahead and use the LEDs. Links for these bulbs and the other bulbs you would need for the rest of the taillights will be in the description. Okay, first things first, let's get this open. Never mind all the junk that's in here, because what we need to focus on is these two screws right here. We're just going to go ahead and take them out. Alright, now we're just going to grab it like this way, and pull her out. Now that we've got the housing out, we can get to our light bulb sockets. Now there are 3 of them here. It's the reverse light that we're dealing with. So we're just going to turn this counterclockwise and out it comes. One of the problems with LED bulbs such as this is people touch them with their hands like this, and then they get the oil off their fingers on these bulbs. That can cause them to fail a lot quicker than they should. So what you really want to do is use a nice clean towel like this to handle the bulb. That way you don't get any oil on it. Make sure it's a clean rag and not one that's actually got oil on it. Alright, that takes care of this bulb. And we're just going to put it in, turn it clockwise, it'll lock in place. And here, just to show you these, here's turn signal bulb, and then your running lights, which you can see has already been upgraded to LED. Probably by me. Well, you're here, you may as well. Okay, that looks a whole lot better. Now we're going to put this taillight back in. This piece here and this piece here go in here and in here. And we line our screw holes up with the screw holes. So we're just going to, just like that, pop that in place and start that screw. Start that one. Now if you're unsure of yourself, you might want to go ahead and check those lights before you put the screws all the way in, but I'm pretty certain I did it right. Doesn't mean the bulb's going to work, but it should. Well, would you look at that? This vehicle does indeed have 2 blown reverse lights. And yep, look at that. That one is still out. So this vehicle actually had 2 dead reverse lights. So this side comes off the exact same way. Let me replace that bulb real quick, and then we're done. Okay, we'll do this job. We'll do this entire job in real time. You just take this screw out, and then this screw, just like so. And then kind of wiggle it out. Just like that. Pop our bulb out counterclockwise. This is the old one, so I can go ahead and touch that. And then our new one. It's like that. Lock this in place. Wipe this down a little bit, get some of that dust off there. Yeah, I know it's invisible glass cleaner. It'll still work. Get all that off there. Car wash will never get that. That stuff. Does it make that much of a difference? No, but you're there. You may as well. Alright, this goes back in here, like that. Alright. Tighten the screws down. And that bulb is done. Now I'm going to go, I have the parking brake on. I'm just going to turn the ignition on, put it in reverse. But the parking brake is on. So we're completely safe. Let's see if it fixed it. And would you look at that? And that's a job well done. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.